everybody, how's it going? My name is Fred Levi. I'm the VP of Sales here to Improve My Score. In this video, what I'm going to talk about is a question a lot of times I get people that will send me an email and they want to know if there's any type of discounts that we offer. Well, there is a discount that we offer, and it's very simple to obtain this discount. And I'm going to explain how you get the discount and how you can pay full price. So either way, you'll be able to get great value for the services that we're going to provide for you. So the topic of today's discussion is, how do I get a discount? So it's very simple to get started with us. All you have to do is go to our website, ImproveMyScore.com, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on the button that says Our Process. So at the top of the page, it says Our Process. You're going to click on that, scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see a sign-up form. Now, there's a sign-up form on the top. That's not the form that you're going to fill out. The sign-up form on the top is to receive educational emails in regards to credit repair and how credit works and how you can benefit from having good credit and things along those lines. But to get started with our service, you're going to scroll down, and towards the right, there's going to be a sign-up form. Now, on that sign-up form, there's going to be 2 radio tabs at the top of the form. The first tab is going to say, I want more information. That will basically put you in touch with our sales department. Somebody from our sales department will give you a call and go ahead and give you a free consultation. They'll answer any questions that you guys might have. Now, to receive the discount, and that's what we're talking about in this video, is how do I receive a discount? To receive the discount, what you're going to do is click on the radio tab up top that says, I'm ready to get started. And what you're going to do is you'll fill out your information, you'll pick your plan, and based on the plan you'll pick, that price is already discounted. So by picking the plan that you want, whatever plan that might be, you're already receiving a discount. Now, our normal price for signing up with our services is $199 down. If you get started on our website, it's going to be $149. So you're going to save $50 off the top. Now, if you sign the other part, that's if you complete the form that has that you want more information, what we're going to do is we're going to call you, but you're no longer going to receive that rate. You're going to receive the rate of $199 to get started. And when we say get started, what happens with that is we go ahead and provide a credit analysis for you to go ahead and give you a breakdown of where you are with your credit, give you some credit education, all broken down into a PDF format. So that way you can read and reread information about credit and how it pertains to you and exactly what's on your credit reports when you're getting started. We also provide this analysis at the end of our services so that you'll have a comparison between when you started and when you completed our program. So, like I said, I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys how easy it is to obtain a discount. And the purpose of giving this discount is we don't have to pay our employees anything to go ahead and give you the consultation. Now, yes, it is a free consultation, but, you know, getting you started, there's a lot of information that we're going to have to input manually, and that's what our employees get paid for, is to go ahead and do that manually for you. So if you want to receive the discount, all you have to do is click on the tab that says I'm ready to get started. You'll fill out your information, you put your name, address, phone number, pick your plan, make your payment. And once you make your payment, you'll be notified of when your portal gets turned on, and from there, once the portal's turned on, you'll be able to go ahead and once your portal's turned on, you'll be able to go ahead and complete your onboarding process. So that's how you receive a discount with Improve My Score. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call, toll free at 1-800-972-3970. That number again is 1-800-972-3970, or send us an email, info@ImproveMyScore.com, or you can go to the website, ImproveMyScore.com. There's a contact us button. Send us an email through there as well. Whatever's easiest for you, or you can go to our Facebook fan page. If you know anybody who might be interested in this, please share the video with them. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have questions, comment below. And please subscribe to the video if you found this information helpful. If you guys have any topics that you guys want to go over, feel free to comment below. I'll go ahead and cover that in another video. So with that being said, again, this is Fred Levi, VP of Sales here to Improve My Score. You guys have a good day.